Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Journey with Guns. Today we are on a tour, and guess where? We are heading to Idukki in our own God's own country. So this tour right here is completely, unplanned. We didn't even plan about this. So my cousin just came over and he was like, "What are your thoughts about going on a trip tonight?" And we all were like, "Tonight?" And we didn't know if our parents would allow us, but yes, we went. We left our home around 4 a.m. early in the morning, and right now we are on our way to Idukki. I would like to thank Kaku for sponsoring us such an amazing trip. We all enjoyed a lot and it was such a memorable, it was unforgettable trip, and thanks from the bottom of our heart. So we went with our cousins on this trip. We all enjoyed a lot. Right now I'll be showing you a few places in Idukki. I hope you all will enjoy this video because this tour, personally to me, was very relaxing, really cooling, and I enjoyed it and was the unforgettable tour that has been into my whole life. Do you guys know which kind of tours I love the most? Yes, I love the tours when it is completely unplanned, unprepared. When we go there out of blue, without any plan, without anything, it is really exciting. It's more like an adventure when you don't know what is gonna happen. We wanted to give it a try. We just wanted to go and see how cold the water was, and it was literally amazing. We all enjoyed it. My little cousin sister was so happy. She was playing all over the water and we had an amazing time out there. Just opposite to this small water fountain, there was this amazing view. It was incredible and one of the most beautiful scenes I have ever seen. Guess where we are heading right now? We are heading to Calvary Mountain. Yes, right now we are here in Calvary Mountain, one of the best places to visit if you are in Idukki. Now, this is our first prepared destination. Those places we just went randomly, but here we had already prepared that. If we are going to Idukki, we'll definitely go to Calvary Mountains. And sure, it is one of the best places, I'll say. Like a lot of tourists, it's a tourist attraction obviously, and there is a lot of people who have come to see this amazing view. Now after this Calvary Mountain, guess where we are heading? Right now we are heading to Anjali. Yes, its name, it's really unique, right? Anjali. And this place is very unique. If you just look at it, let me show you. There is a beautiful scene which is gonna come. Now, as you all saw, this water just came through the cave. There's this beautiful cave, and then this water just goes into a river. Isn't it amazing? Just tell me, isn't it a great, what can we say? A very great creation of God or something? Really unique, right? Now here we are, my favorite. According to a plan, this was my favorite destination that we have been to Idukki. Since we have been to Idukki, this place, I don't have words to describe how much I enjoyed out here. and this is also known as Tookupalam, and I'll be giving you the name in the description, everything. Just check how beautiful it is. I don't want to describe it, you'll see it. I just want you to see it. That's it, because it is truly a wonderful and incredible. The boat. Here we are. This was the best thing I have ever done in Idki. This boating. I don't know. This was exactly the time when I enjoyed from the bottom of my heart. Like when you're doing boating, they literally gave us this thing so we could do it ourselves. All of us, literally everyone, we all had the best time in Idki. You know, this boating, it was really refreshing. It really cooled our whole mind. The view, the whole atmosphere, and boating. My younger cousin sister, she really enjoyed it. She was so happy. We all were like very, very happy, and this was the best. I will say it was the best, because I have no words. Literally, I don't know what to say, because I have enjoyed a lot here. You know, we all took turns doing it. It was a great time. We had a lot of fun. Like a lot of fun. And then our boating comes to an end, and we all took a few clicks. As you all can see, it was really crowded because a lot of people came to this beautiful place. She got one of the best pictures. Sophie as well as Haneen, as you can see here, got the best pictures. It was really beautiful that day. I have really enjoyed from the bottom of my heart. I really don't know how to thank Kako for this amazing, wonderful trip, because you all can see all the places I have visited. It was really mind cooling, mind refreshing. It was really one of the best times in my life. You know, when you're going on a trip, make sure you go to places that can refresh your mind. You know, somewhere very cool, somewhere very cold, somewhere very relaxing, very chilling and all. And that's it for my vlog today. I hope you all enjoyed it. So do like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. I'd like to conclude by saying, stay positive, stay productive and be happy. That's all. Thank you.